Welcome back. It is time for the Oh Wow moment, brought to you by the Gloria and Roger Jones Children's Center for Science and Technology. So excited. I have Miss Elaine, and Miss Elaine is always full of good things, but Sarai is joining us today too. So we've got some exciting stuff to do. Miss Elaine, what are we doing today?
So as always, we're gonna do some science. But before we get started, I just want to say, Sarai, I absolutely love your artwork. It's absolutely awesome. But you're also starting a science YouTube channel, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's it called?
Sarai Unicorn Gaming.
That's so awesome. So she's gonna be doing her own science videos just like here. So this is awesome. I'm so happy to have you. So today we are gonna do a little demonstration with some money. Do not try this one at home.
Do not try it at home.
Safety glasses, so please put these
Okay.
on. I only brought two.
Okay,
So we're having
all right,
guests, so I
all
don't
right.
need them. I'll be okay. I've done this
All
a
right.
million times.
All right.
Safety first.
Yes, safety first. So we have our. Do you know what this is called? You like science.
Yeah.
What's this container called?
A measuring cup.
No, it starts with a B. What do we use in science that starts with a B? A B.
A beaker.
Beaker?
Beaker.
Yes, so this
A
is called a
beaker,
beaker. So that's our
okay.
vocabulary word for today.
All
So
right.
in science,
A
we like to
beaker.
use a beaker. And I'm going to fill this up.
But
This is...
But for cooking, you call it a measuring cup.
Yeah, for cooking, you use a measuring cup. Very good. We are in a kitchen.
Okay.
So I have some 50% isopropyl alcohol here, like you would find at the doctor's office.
When you get a cut, it hurts.
It burns, yeah.
It burns and hurts.
It
I
hurts,
don't like it.
stings. And this always scares everybody. We're gonna put our $5 bill into our beaker, get it nice and soaked in our 50%
Okay.
isopropyl alcohol. That's 50% isopropyl alcohol. The other 50% is water. And I'm gonna take it out of here. And what do you think is gonna happen when I hold this lighter up to it?
Oh, it's gonna burn.
It's gonna burn. What do you think?
I don't know. I'm scared.
All right, let's see what happens.
Okay. Wait, why did the fire go out?
Yeah, it went
Wait,
away.
why did it go out? What
Because
happened?
that's a liquid. It can't last for that long.
High five, you're on the right track. So that's the science behind it. So we have 50% isopropyl alcohol, which burns quite a bit. But the other 50% is water. So do you know what happens? What happens when we heat up water on the stove? What does it turn into?
Gas.
It turns, yeah, high five, awesome. It turns into a gas, it turns into steam. So we have the 50% alcohol is burning, the 50% water isn't burning, it's turning into a gas. And when it turns into a gas, when it turns into steam, it carries heat, it carries energy, which is heat, away from the dollar bill, which doesn't let it get to the temperature that paper needs to be at to burn. Now this is a question for you, Miss Madonna. Do you know the temperature in Fahrenheit at which paper burns? It's in the title of a classic novel by Ray Bradbury. Do you know the
Fahrenheit
Yeah, what's the number?
152.
451. You're close.
451.
Fahrenheit 451. So it's never able to get to 450 degrees Fahrenheit because
Oh.
water boils at, do you know the temperature?
212 degrees.
212, right. So it's boiling, it's carrying that heat away, never able to get to 451 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can feel this, we're just left with a wet $5 bill.
Ew.
Can we do it again?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh.
Let's do it again.
Okay.
We're ruining
Okay.
Make sure we soak it.
We're-
Soak it up real good.
Yeah, just
All
soak
right, one more
it.
time. Again, don't try this one
Okay.
at home.
Just please.
And always be careful with rubbing alcohol near an open flame because it's very flammable.
Oh
Wow.
my god, I just saw a flame on the table.
Oh my gosh, yeah, we gotta be careful.
Miss Elaine, this is really good now. Is this a theory of some kind that we need to know, or?
I guess just the principles of like evaporation and phase changes. So as water only boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it's carrying that energy away. It's never able to get to 451 and burn that paper cotton dollar.
Okay. All right. So if somebody wanted to try this at home, definitely don't try it at
Yeah,
home
don't try this at
without
home.
without an adult.
trusted adult.
Safety glasses, yes. Do not have your flame around your alcohol. Notice I was holding it over here, not directly over top.
Yeah, you were, and that was because it could have.
Yeah, if I drop it in there, the whole thing would catch on fire.
Okay, we definitely
Got
do
my
not want
water
that.
here just in case.
Just in case, JIC, just in case. Now, Sarai, when you do your videos on YouTube, your mom tapes it right?
Yeah.
But when you do your videos, who gives you a script to write, or do you just do it on your own?
So my mom like sometimes tells me what to say,
Mm-hmm.
and then I do some, but then I add some of my own things that
Oh.
I want to say to that.
Wow,
Awesome.
Sarai, she's awesome.
She is.
Okay.
She's amazing.
Well, you know, Miss Elaney, I'm just gonna say this. I know that Sarai goes to school. I know she goes to school. All the teachers at Austintown Intermediate, I know she goes to school. But we used to have a young man that would come on when Mr. Ralph was here. His name was Jaden, and Jaden, you know, Humboldt would come, and he'd be like Mr. Ralph's little assistant. Would you like an assistant in the way
Absolutely.
of
yes.
Sarai? Maybe she could come on once a month.
Yeah, that would
and,
be
and do an
awesome.
oh wow moment
Yes.
with us.
Yes, please.
Would you like to do that, Sarai?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I'll be in Texas for some time.
Okay, but you'll be back, right?
Yeah, I'll be
Well,
back.
How about when you come back?
Yeah.
All right, all right.
Awesome. That's
all
so
right,
exciting.
all right. Mr. Tim, how much time do we have? Okay, well, Mr. Tim says we have 2 minutes, and so we're going to wrap up. So I want to know, Miss Elaney, anything exciting and fun going on at the Oh Wow Children's Center
my
for
gosh.
Science and Technology?
We are starting our SMI, Summer Manufacturing Institute, next on Monday, so tomorrow.
Okay.
And so I actually won't be on the Oh Wow Moment for 2 weeks because I'll be all up in that, but Miss Colleen is going to be here, which we love her. She's
Oh,
going to
yes.
do some fun stuff. She'll spice it up, do some different stuff from what I normally do, and then I'll be back. But yeah, so that's going on. And then August 11th is our annual Science of Brewing event, which is adults only.
Adult event.
Yeah, so get your tickets on our website if you're an adult and you wanted to ever come explore Oh Wow on your own. This is the perfect time to do it. There will be live music and some hands-on activities for adults there, so that'll be a lot of fun.
And if you have a little bit too much of the science of brewing and you need, I'll be the designated driver. So I'll take you. If you have a little bit too much, I will be there to be your taxi, Uber, Lyft, all of that.
Be responsible.
Right, to make sure that you stay responsible. And that is positive. And everybody knows that a positive attitude can make anything happen for anyone. And when you are out and about, please, oh please, wear your seatbelt. Hope to see you next week when we do more fun and exciting things here on the Oh Wow Moment, and you learn about your community with WFMJ Community Connection. I hope to see you next week. See ya.